Hi everyone, this is Macy again from the ITR tech support team, and I want to show you today how you can actually request to share in a meeting. First of all, we're going to sign in to ITR again. You can do that either with your member name or with your email address. Now we click login. Okay, here you can see on the right hand side you have the upcoming meetings. I will choose a meeting from the video meeting schedule by clicking on video meetings. Scroll down all the way. Gamblers Anonymous, we take this one because this must be empty now. So we log in by clicking on the time. This is the browser check. Actually, you just seen that checks if you either use Google Chrome browser or Mozilla Firefox. This is Mozilla Firefox, as you can see. And we're in the meeting now. You can see in the audience. This is my avatar here on the bottom. And this is the chairperson. We want to request to share now by clicking on Turn Cam On. First, here you can see our picture coming up. And here is the important part. Here you can check which source is your video, the camera. Here it is Microsoft Live Cam Cinema, which is my webcam. And the microphone to share. The default is my standard microphone, and I'm going to choose the webcam microphone now because I'm using the other one for recording this video. Okay, now we click allow. That these devices are accessed by a web browser, and here you can see the little video screen. That is me recording this video now. And at this point, the audience will not see you yet or hear you yet. First, you have to click on this button that turned into request to share. We click on that now. And we're back here on the Brady Bunch box in the line to way to share. If there was a meeting going on, we would be in the first spot to share as next person. And if at one point you want to get down, you can click here cancel request to get out of the Brady Bunch box again. I first want to show you here up where this toggled camera icon is. When you click on that, you can see the permissions actually, which are very important. You have to actually allow access to your camera and to your microphone. Okay, cool. And this concludes the video on how to request to share in a video meeting.